Hello, in this video we will learn about standard operating procedure of Wall's ice cream. Objectives, scope, audience. Objectives: equip our field team with basic business SOP understanding. Implementation of SOP on regular basis. Scope: in the first phase, only those areas that need immediate focus will be covered. The SOP update will cover operational, concessionaire, cold chain, and stock damage SOP. Audience: SOP will be cascaded to territory managers, area managers, and all relevant departments. DSRs, Urdu translated video modules, concessionaire manager and its staff. Mechanism of standard operating procedure. How to run this program. Number 1. Identify SOP revision. Number 2. Content development. Number 3. Capture as is. Number 4. Rollout cascade. Number 5. Post-cascade analysis. How to go for standard operating procedure SOP understanding. We have divided SOP into 4 categories. Stock damage SOP, concessionaire claim SOP, cabinet management SOP, cabinet induction SOP. Stock damage SOP. Stock damage policy and limits of territory managers, area managers, and regional sales managers. Understanding of the procedure. Concessionaire claim SOP. Concessionaire SOP, in which we add all concessionaire-related previous SOP and updated SOP. Cabinet management SOP. Cold chain SOP, in which all cold chain-related SOP, either cabinet movement, cabinet induction procedure, etc. are mentioned. Cabinet induction SOP. Cabinet induction procedure and movement of cabinet from suppliers to concessionaire and concessionaire to market. Number 1. Stock damage SOP. The categories for stock damage SOP are damage stock received from factory, stock damage at concessionaire, stock damage at stock point dealers, SPDs, stock damage at point of purchase, POP level. Stock damage reasons are damage from factory, underweight or overweight product, product with open wrappers, due to production fault, D-shaped products, due to primary van temperature, damaged stock at concessionaire, due to loading and unloading, due to negligence of cold master, damaged stock received from secondary vans, damaged stock at stock point dealer, SPD, damage due to the accident of trikes, damage due to open stock filled in cabinet, stock did not return from trike, out of order cabinets, negligence of stock point dealer's owner, damaged stock at point of purchase, POP level, stock received from consumer quality, due to electric failure, due to cabinet failure, due to negligence of retailer. Mechanism of damaged stock. Damage from factory. DA will be signed by the driver. DA will be attached with concessionaire claim. Gets approved as per the limit of territory manager, area manager, or regional sales manager. Informed to factory immediately. Damage at concessionaire. The damage claim is not provided by the company. Just calculate trade damage and dispose of. Stock damage at stock point dealer, SPD, and point of purchase, POP level. Point of purchase raises the request for lifting of damaged stock. Territory sales executive checks the damaged stock and uploads in HHT. Proper reason mentioned in the damage form. Data processing officer prints all damage forms and is signed by the data processing officer and territory sales executive and is verified by 25%. If the count is low, territory sales officer should verify 100%. Territory manager signs after 10% damage form is verified from the market. One point of purchase can claim only once in a month. Territory manager mentions on damage form approval for lifting, approval for payment within the territory manager's limit. If the damage stock exceeds the territory manager's limit, then the territory manager transfers it to the area manager for approval. The next day, approval for lifting form delivery boy goes to the market and receives 100% damage stock. One duplicate copy is provided to the retailer for record purposes. Damage form is signed by the shopkeeper, and shipper receives, acknowledges, signs and submits to the data processing officer. Sign must be the same as retailer agreement, and retailer phone number should also be mentioned. After the stock is lifted, territory manager or area manager issues approved for payment under his limit. Once the damage is approved, the data processing officer mentions damage amount in CIS, and the very next day delivery boy delivers stock to the retailer and submits form to the data processing officer. Concessionaire should retain photocopies of approved damage lifting form for record purposes. Stock lifting limits. Stock lifting limits have been upgraded. Old limit for territory manager was less than or equal to 3,500 rupees. New limit for territory manager is less than or equal to 10,000 rupees. Old limit for area manager was less than or equal to 6,000 rupees. New limit for area manager is less than or equal to 20,000 rupees. Old limit for regional sales manager was less than or equal to 15,000 rupees. New limit for regional sales manager is less than or equal to 30,000 rupees. Old limit for director ice cream was less than or equal to 15,000 rupees. New limit for director ice cream is greater than 30,000 rupees. Stock disposal limits. Stock disposal limits have been upgraded to: old limit for territory manager was less than or equal to 12,500 rupees. New limit for territory manager is less than or equal to 100,000 rupees. Old limit for area manager was less than or equal to 25,000 rupees. New limit for area manager is less than or equal to 200,000 rupees. Old limit for regional sales manager was less than or equal to 100,000 rupees. New limit for regional sales manager is less than or equal to 300,000 rupees. Old limit for director ice cream was less than or equal to 250,000 rupees. New limit for director ice cream is greater than 300,000 rupees. That is all for this video. We will learn about concessionaire claim SOP in the next video.